people, my name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the OKae. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Charles and Keith handbag unboxing, 4 handbags to be exact. So if you have already been following me on Instagram, you've already seen a little sneak peek of one of the handbags. I love Charles and Keith. They're a luxury, sophisticated accessory and handbag company. So without further ado, let's jump right into these handbag unboxings. The first bag I have is the Candy Quilted Crescent bag, and it's in the color chocolate. I love this bag so much. Now, as I get into each bag, I want to let you guys know that all bags come with its own duster. This retails for $63, and it's the most beautiful design and shape. I love the structure of it. Plus, let's go ahead and look in the inside. It comes with its own chain, so if you want to wear this as a crossbody, you absolutely can. I normally go for like gold hardware bags, so this was like perfect for me, and I love the chocolate brown color. Perfect for winter and fall if you want. And I just like how this is having this nice little quilted design. It actually matches my top too. So if you want to wear this crossbody, you can, but you guys know I love little small totes. I show them all the time in my try on hauls, so this bag right here was right up my alley. Next, I have the single handle puffer black bag, and I love this simply because the bottom of the bag, like, it almost looks as if it's a combat boot, and it also has a quilted leather feel to it. Also very structured, and again, another cute small bag because y'all know I love them. This also comes with its own chain. Pretty much all the bags I have come with its own chain, so if you wanted to convert it into a crossbody, you absolutely can. Plus, the strap on this one is adjustable, and it has a pretty decent size amount of room in it with a little pocket right here. You guys can see that. And just to show you guys up close, it has Charles and Keith right there on the front, and the little sole bottom is rubber, which again I like because it almost mimics as if you're wearing a boot. And this retails for $59. Next, let's move on to some navy blue bags. Normally I don't go for navy blue, but I love the way that these bags were styled. So starting with the first one, I have this chain link tote bag, and this is their miniature version. They do have a larger size in this and also another color, but again, I wanted to go with this navy blue because I thought it was like so rich in color, and it just gives like the perfect winter vibes. And honestly, you can wear this in the fall if you really wanted to, but I love that the chain also is in the color navy. Again, this bag also comes with its own strap, so if you want to make this a crossbody, you can. And it has a magnet to clasp it closed, and this one retails for $96, but it's actually on sale right now for $71, so definitely go ahead and go grab that. It also has a little small zipper pouch in the front, and a pretty decent size amount of room in the inside. Now, the way I would describe the overall feel of this is kind of like a really good dense quality of rubber, but the handle is leather. So I'm obsessed with this bag. Like, I can already tell that I would probably style this with like a gray sweater or anything gray related, probably like a sweater dress too. But this is a cute little tote bag. And last but not least in this haul, I have the Chailly paneled Hobo bag. This is my favorite bag in this haul, and it retails for $96. It's leather all the way around and quilted all the way around. But the coolest part is this crossbody strap that comes on it with the white and navy blue contrast. I love this because it reminds me of like that Prada bag that also has a little miniature purse that goes on it, which this also does. So cute. So you can wear this separate if you want to, because you can unhook it, wear it as like a little coin purse or like a little miniature bag, or just again keep it strapped on here. Plus, on the strap or crossbody strap, it has another hook for you to chain that on, which, like I said, kind of mimics that Prada bag that I like. You guys know I love gold hardware, so this double layered chain that's in front is everything to me. Plus, it says Charles and Keith at the bottom. This is a beautiful bag. Like, I cannot wait to wear this one. Alright, beautiful people, so that was everything in this Charles and Keith handbag unboxing. Every bag is listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with the website, because all these bags and accessories are everything. The quality, superb. So make sure you guys check them out, and thanks to Charles and Keith for sponsoring this video. Again, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the OKae, because you will be seeing little full unboxing videos of all these bags and more to come. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit this subscribe button for more videos to come, and I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.